YouTube. This is Bubba and Mama is right there. Now she's coming in.
Hey guys.
And today we're going to be cooking and it's going to be so fun. And
What are we making today, dude?
we're making lasagna.
Alright, we got our already clean pan.
And I'm fit to turn 7 in 5.5 months, and I'm getting so big.
Alright, come on. So,
I'm going to put a little bit more of this.
I'm gonna get you some more toners too, okay? You can do a little more than that.
That's not too much, right?
No. You didn't even put none. Look, over there. Like this. I'll put the toners on there.
I don't really know how to put big stuff on.
Look, this one, we can work together. I can help you. Find your holes that's open here. Okay, okay. A little more. I just did it. Nope, it didn't come out.
No, no.
It didn't come out. Okay, there you go. All right, now stir it up. I ain't doing it. I'm just teaching you what to do. Stir it up good.
This is how
It's
you
gonna
do
time to
it.
get it on the stove. Just a second. I'm gonna put this onions and garlic on the stove. Cause you're gonna be making your cheese mix next.
This is how you make the lasagna?
You need a cheese mix. You need meat. You need to cut up your mushrooms next, so dust it up.
I know how to cut a mushroom.
Okay. Open that mushrooms.
Mushroom. You need to cut a mushroom.
Careful. Go forward, remember, go up, yep, just like that. And slide it back. There you go. Up, and slide it back. Just like that. Perfect. So much better. It shouldn't be close to your fingers. It doesn't need to be. There you go. Up and down. Good job. That's what I'm talking about, booby. You're learning really good. Okay. That's enough. Get another one.
Now I'll just do it sideways.
Yeah, one time sideways. Just like that. Perfect. No more. Just
No,
get
we
another.
need to.
I don't want it small. I don't want it smaller. It's gonna cook down. Mushrooms get smaller when you cook them. I need you to cut up like 6 more mushrooms though.
6 more? It's easy.
Yeah, make it happen.
That will be 7.
Need some more mushrooms.
Mushroom.
More mushrooms, chef. Okay, when you're done, you say mushroom, chef.
When I'm done with
Come on, get to cutting.
I need.
My stuff is already cooking.
How do you make it like?
I'm gonna cut it up. Like what? Remember, angle. There you go. Angle your knife. Perfect. And cut them in half. Nope. Other way. And don't ever turn your plate. Don't turn your body. Nope. Don't make yourself awkward because that's how you're gonna cut yourself. So all you do next time, come this way. Go this way. And cut like this. Okay? Oh, mushrooms are very
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Scoot it closer to you and always hold your food. Good. Angle. Angle. I still want at the angle. There you go. Boom. See how easy it is?
Did one good one, Mama. I did one very good look. I did very good on
You did a
that.
great job. Yes, you did. Don't rush, okay? Because you don't want to accidentally burn yourself.
Don't even cut my face.
Huh? I mean, cut yourself. Yeah. Sorry, I'm over here with this meat. Trying to make sure you do this burning. We've already made our meat sauce. He's chopped up some onions. We put some mushrooms in there.
With a big knife.
Yes. So you're gonna scoop it like this. I know, but it's hot. So when you scoop it, you're gonna spread it flat. You're gonna make the flattest layer you can, okay?
Get the flat layer.
Yes. So you're gonna scoop
Let me show you.
and make a flat layer, okay?
Let me show you how flat.
And of course, we're gonna have to spin. No, don't smash it because you're gonna make the hot sauce. You're gonna make that sauce. Get some more. Get some more. You don't want to smash it. You gotta. You said you knew how to scoop. That ain't nothing. You need some meat. You need some meat on the bottom all the time, though. Get some big scoops. Come on.
Let me show you one of them.
Show me nothing, baby. Just get to it, baby. We gotta get this in the oven.
Did how you
Hold on. Make sure it spreads.
I need to show you how you
We don't want to use too much at the bottom, baby, because we gotta do another layer of stuff, okay? Get it
So
stirred.
that this?
Yes, the noodles are about to go on next. We're gonna get one more little scoop of meat. You got it. Right too. Yeah, that's good. Put it right there where you see nothing. Yeah. And get it spread out. Don't smash it, because that's how you pop in your stuff. You want to cover the bottom of the pan with meat and sauce. So if you see an empty space, add a little more. There you go. There you go. Now, see, you see, you just scooted it out the way because now what you did was you moved it from where it was. So now, stop. My phone's dying. Oh, yeah, flash cut off. Don't spread it. Yeah, okay. Make sure it stays spread around. Okay, put the spoon back in here. Do you hear me?
It's an empty base over here.
Okay, look. We need to. It's just the bottom, baby. You're gonna. I promise you, you're not gonna be missing on no meat. Okay. Look, there you go. Now, grab your noodle. One noodle at a time. One long noodle. See, it's still hot, huh? Yeah, I told you.
Oh, I told you.
Put a noodle and lay it flat. Lay it flat. You need to cover it up. So, okay, get another noodle. And lay it next to it. Just on top. It's gonna cross over just a little bit like that. Yep. Perfect. Then one more. Hot, baby. Okay, now that's where you come in with your cheese now. So get your cheese.
Get the cheese, baby.
You know, spread it on there. Butter knife. What's next?
Now, what next is
Just pick it up and dump the whole thing on there.
so
Yeah, dump all of it on there. your hands this time.
Okay.
Put that spoon down. Yeah, put it in there.
Get that stuff in. Get in there, boys.
Now use your hands to
Look,
spread it
look,
up.
look,
All right.
boys. Look at it.
Don't lick that yet. Come on now. Spread it.
Bread.
No, with your fingers, not your hand. Come on. You crazy. Hold on now. Spread it. Spread it.
Oh, this is on the cheese.
No. With meat sauce, man. Too much meat sauce. That's enough. That's enough.
We're trying to be the chief. I'm the chief chef, Mama.
I need your cheese bowl. Here.
Cheese bowl coming in.
Scoop that cheese out of here. Scoop you some cheese with that spoon. One spoon. One spoon. Put the other spoon down. There you go. Scoop a little bit, not too much. There you go. A little more. A little more. Not that little. Enough to be able to spread it. Come on. Get a big scoop of another little. Yeah, there you go. No, come on. Big one. Boy, scoop some cheese up out of here, baby. There you go. Get all the cheese. Get all of it. Get all of it out. Dump that whole thing in there. Come on. Get all of it. Get cheese. Don't skip on the cheese. Get it all. Get it all. There you go. All right. Let's get you some cheese.
That's what we need, baby.
Here. Stop playing. Open this up.
Lasagna cheese.
Open it up.
What?
Yep, right there. Yep. No, we need some cheese on all this. Don't.
No, what are you doing? This is how you do it.
Go on, start stirring.
Stir it.
Hey, one spoon, baby. Put one of the spoons in the sink, please. Because now you're acting up. Put one of the spoons in the sink. You do not need 2 spoons, okay? Come on, get that quick and fast. Quick and easy. Let me see what we got here. Let me see what we got here. Let me see how we work. Let me see. Cheese, nice and spread, nice and mixed. Cheese, spread it.
Wait a minute. Do you even know what spreadable means?
Yes, it means ability to spread, able to spread it. When you put a bull, it means able. So spreadable means able to spread.
You need the mixing over here. Yes.
Nice and smooth. All right, come on.
You look real perfect. Because you're the one who has to smooth her. Look at it. That's how you show me, Mama. That's how you show me.
That's how you shift it up, baby. Come on, man. Yeah. Go get your get it in there. Get you some cheese up on there. Right? Get you some cheese up on there. Yeah, use it as a spreader. Here. So you ain't never touched it. So I'm gifting you the spreader. Right here. No, you spread, you just mix it. You just smush it in with that spread.
Bread.
Alright, that's enough.
Get the spoon bumped up.
There's too much cheese.
We need the bread.
That's fine. Yeah. Spread it out. And we need to get our spinach on there. And then this time, not too much because you're just pushing it to the corner. So be careful not to just push it around, but to actually spread it on your noodles.
I am pretty good.
So then this time you're gonna get some lettuce. Some spinach. We're gonna mix our order this time, okay? So your order mixes up just a little bit. So you go spinach now.
Just a little bit.
That's enough. That's enough. But now you're gonna put your noodles instead of meat next this time. You put your noodles.
And then the meat.
Yep, that's it. Get them noodles done. Get my noodles on there. Stop doing that, baby. Don't flatten it. Your noodles gonna do the flattening for you.
Dang, just a long.
Put the other one on there.
Is this the pink noodles?
We do got 2 eggs. Make sure it covers up. You have 1 too many noodles. Because you only need 3. Lay it flat. Now get your meat sauce. You're the one that's gonna put all that on it.
Let me show you stuff.
Baby, just pick the bowl up and dump it on it. And it's not really that much, so yeah.
This is how you do it, Mama.
Scrape it out. Scrape it out. Don't do that because it's gonna get all over the place. So now we ain't got enough meat. This ain't gonna be enough. We don't need too much meat anyway. Exactly how much meat I want us to eat. So you ain't gonna be able to spread that out. You ain't gonna be able to get that around. But watch what hold on. Yeah, be careful. But watch what we're gonna do.
I know.
Just that sauce.
We should put in. What could I do?
Spread it around, then when you're done doing what you need to do for my food, then you can do the extra stuff.
Yeah, the extra stuff. The extra stuff is what I'll need to do. Well, I don't really always.
All right. You just moving it around. You're not spreading it like I need you to spread it. You showed me you was gonna spread it. You just moving it. You flapping. Don't flap. Look, nice. I'm not pressing hard, so you gotta be gentle, okay? Because the way the spoon is made, you gotta be gentle. That's how you spread it. You got all our meat on to the side. Then we're gonna top this. We're gonna put this in the oven, and then we're gonna top this.
See y'all later. YouTube.
The final product later. We'll see y'all later. We are cleaning while we're cooking. And we will see y'all later.